up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, back, baby, with another video. It's been a minute. That's a nice Jeep. It's been a minute since I made a freaking motorcycle video, man. Well, probably not to y'all, because y'all probably watching when I posted an older one. But for me personally, man, this is my second motorcycle video in like a month. For one, it's been cold as heck, you know. It's that time of year. But it's a beautiful day today, but it's supposed to be like 69. I'm actually on my way right now to go meet up with your boy Zx10 Mez. Y'all probably know him as Gomez or Mez. I'm not sure what you call him. I call him Mez. This is our first time riding together, and it's crazy, man. Like, I remember, just real quick, I used to watch Mez videos way back, and now I'm about to go ride with him, so that's pretty cool. He probably don't look at it like that, but yeah, I used to watch him, and like Outspoken Talk, all they racing videos. That 5-year gap when I wasn't riding, I used to watch them all the time. So make sure my shit in race mode, is it? Yeah, it's in race mode, man. Fuck with man, shit, I better be in race mode, because I seen his videos, and that motherfucker be doing 180 full throttle, you know what I'm saying? Pops out undercover too. Damn, like a Ford Explorer, just a regular Ford Explorer. He has a 2021 Kawasaki Zx10. So he's one of the first ones to actually have that thing, man. So I get to see that for the first time in person. Hopefully traffic is not too bad, because it is the middle, it is a Monday and middle of the week. What the hell he was doing? I swear, the GPS, like, I wanted to talk, but then she talks too much, and then she doesn't talk enough. So I'm always confused, like, how much I want her to talk. Anyway, I'll catch y'all when I get over to the spot. Damn, what kind of system is this?
Those you talking about the Fords?
Yeah.
They came like that even from the previous year.
Oh, word. Damn, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, it's nice though, man. It's nice.
It changed too much on the bike, other than the front end.
Yeah.
And a couple small little details here and there.
Yeah.
But overall, it's almost the same bike.
Okay. See, I don't know too much about the Zx10s.
Yeah.
You got what, 3 of them? You said, right?
Nah, I only have 2.
You got 2?
I ain't seen this one.
Okay.
I've had 4.
Yeah. I've been watching the videos. You like it?
Huh?
You like it? I've been watching the videos.
I do.
Yeah.
Just on stock, this is very more comfortable to ride.
Yeah. Yeah. What's this right here?
It's just the other bikes had it's just a little light.
Oh, just a light?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got you.
The one used to have it, old drinks had it in the inside right here.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Does it feel lighter than the previous gen?
It rides different in the sense of, like, it feels more nimble, and then not only does it feel more nimble, it feels like the front tire, you get way more feel on the front.
Okay.
While you're turning.
Yeah.
The Gen 5 used to feel like it's kind of like it's diving.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Oh. I linked up with your boy, so he is my 2016, so we linked up with your boy Mez, Zx10 Mez right there, you see him, and then you got my boy Raphael. He on the 2020 BMW R. He has some issues with it, but God, this thing is gorgeous, man. God, look at this thing. Gorgeous bike. Helmet. This carbon, this shit is dope, bro. That carbon fiber is dope. Then you got your boy Mez on the 2021 Kawasaki, the baby H2. I'm gonna call this the baby H2, bro. It look just like it in the front end, but gorgeous black. He got already got the carbon tail on it. You got the AccuFull exhaust system on it. So this is brand new, so it probably won't have a tune available for a while. Go check him out on YouTube, man. Go be following him. Go ahead and put him right there for y'all. He said he's having some issues right now. So last time I raced my man Raphael, y'all saw the video on the top of him, man. He just came around and just shoot. Anyway, yeah, we gonna get ready to head out. All right, guys, about to take off. God damn, that SC Project exhaust is loud as shit. Yeah, man. So we out here, the 2020 BMW, and then the 2021 Kawasaki, man, the baby Ninja H2. Nah, I'm playing. Let me stop calling it that. If I make somebody mad in the comments, it's not an H2. Why are some people so sensitive, bro? I don't get it. Some people are so sensitive. But anyway, man, god damn, that SC Project sound good, bro. Good as yeah. Okay, you trying to get it up. Oh, there you go. Yes, sir. So I be popping willies. I ain't with that willy shit. You got gas? forgot to get gas. So Robbie forgot to get gas, so we gonna get gas today and come back here in a second. About to get it, baby. That SC project sounds good as shit. Brake squeaking all of a sudden, bro. Interesting. Yeah, they are squeaking. I just rode it yesterday, it was fine. I was pushing it though. About to pump it up. Oh man. Y'all already know it's down here. Little racetrack, what I call it. So he said right now his bike falling off like at 150. He's trying to figure out what's wrong with it, what's going on with it. Good? I thought something happened. This bike screams. Woo! Hey guys, so we going right now to get some tacos. So man, Raphael's spot, he actually got his own taco joint out here in Garland, man. Y'all be sure to check it out. I'll try to post it right there. There you go. Woo! Damn, they were doing donuts right here. I didn't record none of the footage over here, guys. There was so much traffic, and so we really couldn't really do much. So I'm gonna try to record on the way back. Super cool dudes. I met Raphael before at one of the race events here. Oh, my first time riding with Mez, man. Super cool dude, bro. Cowie looking good, man. Real good. Sounds good in this song. I don't really know where we're going. Traffic everywhere we went today in Dallas, man. Everywhere, bro. Ooh, okay, man. Ah, man. Should I try to do a power wheelie? Nah. No, sir. Hey, man, I just know my limits. Like, I know they will scare the shit out of me. Even sometimes right now when if I'm in like first or second, I hit it and the front can't come up, I still get that feeling in my stomach, you know what I'm saying? That, like, scary feeling. It is what it is. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. There you go. Ooh, that been clean, boy. me and Miz was talking earlier, and that the new, it has a very deep sound to it as opposed to the old one from what I remember. But he's saying, you know, he don't know if after a tune or flash it's gonna change the pitch, but it's a deeper sound than what I'm used to hearing from a Cowie. Oh, he said tough. Y'all want to know what come behind them Instagram pictures? That's right there. He's trying to get an Instagram picture of them. Ah, that's funny. Uh-oh. There you go. And so we've been running either the traffic or cops all day today. We made it at the spot. El Taco Taco. Oh, grab a go watch. El Taco Taco. Yes, sir. So we here. Yeah, I saw it.
Like the previous models, like they got the Brembo.
Yep.
This model, BMW straight off.
Appreciate it, bro. Yes, sir. So we here. El Taco Taco. All right, guys, we about to get something to eat, man. I just wanted to show y'all around a quick establishment. Make sure y'all come check them out. El Taco Taco Garlic, man. Put it up there. So, yeah, we about to get something to eat. Catch y'all in a second. Unfortunately, guys, we didn't get that much footage today riding, man. Just too much traffic. And then when we did have some fun, cops was everywhere today. So shout out to Miz and Raphael coming out. Appreciate y'all. Let me come ride with y'all, man. That was pretty cool, bro. Head to the house. Focus on the ride. And I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.